Standing permissions to access AWS resources such as S3 bucket is a serious threat. Brightov multi-cloud PAM platform provides a granular, just-in-time access for any AWS service with zero standing privileges. Brightov SaaS platform is a cloud-native, agentless, and proxyless privileged access management solution. It integrates with Azure Entra, Okta, etc. for SSO, MFA authentication. It secures both human and machine identities. Through a cloud-native API, Brightov dynamically provisions just-in-time access across cloud service providers, SaaS platforms, and any on-prem systems. The Brightov Common Policy Model enforces zero standing privileges, while Secrets Vault, visibility, SIAM integration, and audit reporting ensure operational agility, security, and compliance. Let's take a look at the demo. I need temporary full access to AWS S3 bucket for maintenance. I logged into Brightov. I am going to check out a Brightov AWS profile with S3 full access, and now I can access S3 bucket. Notice that this authorization or entitlement is time-bound. I click on the AWS URL directly from Brightov UI, now logged into AWS. Here you can see I logged in as federated user by assuming the S3 full access role, no service account or shared account. And all my actions are logged as my user with full audit trail. You can see I don't have access to other AWS services. Brightov natively connects with AWS using APIs and add my user to the proper role. Once my S3 related work is done, I will check in profile manually, or it will be expired automatically anyways. Same experience is also possible via CLI, API, or using Terraform. If I try to log into AWS S3 bucket, I would not have access anymore. Thanks for watching the demo. For more details, please check out our website at brightov.com or email us at learn@brightov.com.